Hello to all of you. Good afternoon. I am Yvonne. I will be your teacher for Grammar 1 this semester. We have Grammar 1 this semester and Grammar 2 next semester. And here we have English grammar deals with all the structures you need to be able to understand what you're reading and translate it into Spanish efficiently. Yes? Because it is not always easy to translate from one language to another, and you have to find the best way to do it. This grammar will also serve as a base for all the written English that you have in English language, where you have to do quite a bit of writing, and it will help you recognize the differences between written Spanish and English. Everything you learn will help you solve the problems you face when translating from English to Spanish and vice versa. You try and make the best of it, because translating is really a fascinating job. So if you can do a lot of studying with English grammar, it will be the best for you. This English grammar is divided into different modules, and each of the modules has different units. In unit number 1, we will see different registers and how words are formed, how you need prefixes and suffixes, and what kind of words you can form with them. We will also see valency patterns, which refers to how the words are placed in a sentence to make it understandable. Remember that in English and Spanish the order of the words is different, and so you have to be very sure of what order you are using in English. You will also need to know what the grammatical elements are called and what place they occupy in the sentence. In unit number 2, we will see nouns and everything that has to do with them, how to form them, again using prefixes and suffixes, the genitive case, which is not always easy because as it doesn't exist in Spanish, sometimes it can cause a few problems, but we will try and solve them all. Then you have countable and uncountable nouns, and you will also learn how to use the simple noun phrase. In unit number 3, we will be talking about determiners, articles and pronouns. These are the words that come before a noun and they classify them. And it is necessary to know how to use them and recognize the difference between them. We will also see the importance of subject-verb concord. Where you have a singular subject, you need a singular verb, and with the plurals also. A plural subject needs a plural verb. That is also something that is very important in English. In unit number 4, we will talk about adjectives and adverbs, how they are formed and used, and the places they occupy in a sentence. I always talk about the places that they occupy in a sentence because you have different ways of putting different adjectives and adverbs. And we will also see how to use the comparative and superlative. No more for now. This is unit number 4, the last one in this first part of the semester. And I hope we will keep in touch as much as we can. If you have any doubts, send me a message and ask me. Yes, there's no problem at all. I wish you all the best, and I hope you make the best of this new way of learning. Goodbye to all of you, and we'll keep in touch.